This is a killing challenge for black. So in some books, the editors would have black play this exchange first, because if white doesn't play here, seems like white can play this move. If you reduce I space from this side, 3 and 5 are necessary, then white will live this way with number 6. If black plays from this side, this will be a ko. Black must come in like this, and white can connect here. Right? If white doesn't connect, this is still a dead shape. It's not really a band 4 because black can play at 11, it stands down here. White can't come in at number 14. So white must capture, and black will destroy this eye. So this will be a dead shape for white. So that is why white cannot make this into this shape here on the side. White can just connect here, black must come in, this will be a ko. So this is the first pattern that we should see. So now if we have this exchange, please calculate to see if black can kill white. So if you're ready, we can look at this together. So if black tries reducing I space from the outside, as you realize it doesn't work in this part of the section, right? The problems are getting harder and harder. So it's almost always kind of threatening to cut your opponent. Of course, cutting here doesn't work now, but you can always threaten to cut. And white must connect, otherwise white will be cut off and killed in this race to capture against 3 and 5. And now what does black do? Black can't pull back number 3. It will still be cut off. Of course, you can say this is a ko, but this is a pretty bad ko for black, right? Because if white wins, black's territory here on the upper side is in danger. So this is really a bad ko for black to play. What else, right? Playing here, that doesn't seem to work. White's I space is pretty big, right? This is not going to be a dead shape for white. So once again, as we've seen many times in this book, the correct move for black is on the first line, right here. This is threatening to connect back number 3. But it's not really a connection because white can still play this move. You can't pull it back because white can Atari this way and push out like this. So black will be captured this way on the first line. But when white plays here, black can play this move, kind of threatening to connect with number 5. Now white must play something like this, where you can push here first, doesn't really help. And now black can simply reduce white's I space from this side. And white plays here, this will be a dead shape, obviously, and whites cannot make an extra real eye here, right? It'll be something like this, but black will be able to contain white this way. And of course, if white plays here first, black can connect with number 7. Now, after pushing here, there'll be no connect and die. White can come in at number 14. So black is actually connected with number 7. So that's why number 5 is such a good move. If number 5 is here, then whites can cut black off with number 8, right? We're just this move. And there'll be another real eye here, so black will fail. And that's why number 5 jumping here on the first line is a great move. And the only way for white to cut it off is right here, right? This also doesn't work. This way, black is also connected. So playing here, black can stand down, forcing white to play another move here. And now all black needs to do is to reduce white's I space. So I think that's the whole idea after the first exchange 1 and 2. Of course, without number 2 here, white can play here and start a ko. So overall, pretty complicated. Even though the space seems small, make sure you understand all the variations, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.